Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make $1,000 online easy. Now, making $1,000 online is not as hard as you think. I know it may seem like a daunting task if you're a beginner, however, it's a lot easier than you think. Now, I've listed 3 ways that you can make money online, and I'm going to discuss about them shortly and then tell you my preferred and highly recommended way to make money online. So, there's dropshipping, which is a very low margins kind of business. So there's a lot of Shopify and dropshipping experts or gurus that show you inflated dashboards of their revenue, right? So they're showing you revenue and they claim they make this much, the X amount of dollars. However, this is not accurate or true at all. They are misleading you. They are only showing their revenue because at the end of the day, what business comes down to is net profit. So it's not how much you make at the end of the day, it's what you keep. So that's after taxes, expenses, etc. So dropshipping is a very low margins game. Now, affiliate marketing, there definitely is a higher skill set, and affiliate marketing is definitely one of my favorite ways to make money online, because as an affiliate you don't have to create the product, you don't deal with inventory, you don't deal with logistics, all you do is market the product. Now, there's definitely a higher level skill set with affiliate marketing. It's a higher level skill set, and the reason why a lot of affiliate marketers fail is because they push low ticket products, right? If you want to win big with affiliate marketing, you have to push high ticket products. So you cannot make a lot of money with affiliate marketing if you're pushing $7 products. I mean, in theory, yes, if you push a high amount of volume, but why on earth would you want to push $7, $10 products and make a $3, $4 royalty when you can push high ticket products and make hundreds to thousands of dollars per commission, right? It just makes sense. It just makes logical sense. Now, let's get to KDP. Now, KDP is undisputable. It's indisputable that KDP is the easiest way to make money online 2019 and I believe beyond for the foreseeable future. And now I'm not just saying that because I have a course on self-publishing, but no, it's just a fact, because with KDP there's a low barrier of entry, and I don't know of any other business that you can make money as fast as 48 hours. So within 48 hours, you can start making sales on Amazon. And not only that, so right off the get-go, when you're a beginner, you get to diversify your income streams, right? You can diversify your income streams into 3. So you have ebooks, I'll put E for ebooks. Then you have paperback books, and then you have audiobooks. So ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks. So right off the bat, you have a diversified stream of income once you get into KDP and you set up your accounts. So you have money coming in from all 3 streams, different platforms, but owned by the same person or same company, I should say, Amazon. But you make 3 streams of income with KDP. And again, there's lower barrier of entry, and again, all you need to do is upload a manuscript onto Amazon and hit publish, and within 48 hours you can start making money online. I don't know of any other business venture that I can think of personally that can make you money online this fast, right? And not only that, Amazon has a global market, right? Has access to a global market, and when you sign up for publishing, you have access to that market. So that's the US, that's Canada, that's the UK, that's Europe, and many other countries as well. So you have a huge global market and huge earning potential. So I personally believe KDP is extremely lucrative and the best way to start off in 2019 and beyond, actually. So I'm gonna show you a live video right now of how that works. So I'm gonna go on the Amazon website right now. As you can see, this is the Amazon website. Again, Amazon has done all the heavy lifting for you. So they have the customers on file. They have the credit cards on file. There are millions upon millions of credit cards on file, and they actually tell you what's selling and what's not, right? So let's do this for example, how to lose weight, right? Because weight loss is an evergreen niche, extremely competitive, but it's an evergreen niche. So let's take a look. Let us take a look. So think about it. Right off the bat, you got 3 platforms. You got ebooks, you got audiobooks, you got paperbacks. So you got 3 streams of incomes, 3 pillar streams of income that you will that you can potentially make, money from. So right off the bat, you get to diversify your income portfolio from 3 streams of income, right? And then obviously this book probably sells very well because it's on the front page. But basically, all I'm showing you is just a basic, to give you a basic understanding for you beginners out there. So you type in a keyword, so how to lose weight, and boom, the book pops up, right? There are other things you have to do, like copywriting, book covers, leveraging certain keywords, Amazon marketing services and all that nitty gritty stuff, which I go into in-depth detail in Passive Income Publishing Academy. Again, if you're interested to make money online on autopilot and run a long-term sustainable self-publishing and profitable business, I suggest you check out my course, Passive Income Publishing Academy. I'll leave a link down in the description. So to make $1,000 online, it's not that difficult. It's not that hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I started out, I struggled, right? I started off with actually KDP. I did dabble with drop shipping and I did dabble with affiliate marketing at first. However, once I mastered KDP, there were transferable skills I could transfer over. I didn't get back into drop shipping because it's such a low margins game and there are more headaches that come with drop shipping, with logistics, etc. But with affiliate marketing, I was able to find success. So KDP is undisputably the best way to make money online 2019 and beyond, and to reach your first $1,000. Really, it's easy. And then once you make your first $1,000, it's not that hard. Just rinse and repeat, right? Rinse and repeat the process. That's all you need to do. And again, it's the easiest form of making money online that I know of. If you know anything different or anything otherwise, you can comment below, let me know. But again, I think KDP is the best. Don't get me wrong, you can make money with dropshipping and affiliate marketing. However, again, dropshipping is low ticket. Affiliate marketing, there's more of a learning curve with affiliate marketing. With KDP, there's not much of a learning curve. If you can turn on a computer, you can make money online with KDP. However, you will need to know, you will need to have a strategy and have to follow a system or a formula, really. And Passive Income Publishing Academy is that system, and it gives you that formula of what you need to follow to make money online. And again, it's the most up-to-date course on the market that's out there that gives you everything that it's really the accumulation of my life experiences from the self-publishing world, learning from the best of the best and incorporating all that knowledge into one compact course. And again, I have a handful of students in the course, and many of them are finding success, and they're extremely happy with the content of the course. And yeah, I will definitely be releasing testimonials soon. But again, so if you want to make $1,000 online, I highly recommend you get into KDP. Again, you can find my course link in the description. And that's going to be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and share. And remember to hit the bell notification so you're notified of new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.